Up first this evening, the constable at the center of the investigation into the disappearance of his missing girlfriend, Donna-lee Donaldson, has been charged with murder. Now, the disclosure was made at a JCF press conference today, where it was also revealed that the high-profile case is now a homicide. We have the details in this report.
The missing persons case for 23-year-old Donna-lee Donaldson has now turned into a murder investigation. Her boyfriend, Constable Noel Maitland, is the prime suspect.
Constable Maitland was this afternoon charged with the murder of his 23-year-old girlfriend, Donna-lee Donaldson. His formal charge comes after 20 days of diligent and comprehensive investigation by detectives in what began as a missing persons investigation, but given the evidence that was being collected, subsequently became a murder probe.
According to Donaldson's mom, she was last seen on Monday, July 11. She left home with Officer Maitland for his apartment. The mother revealed that the officer said Donaldson left his home the morning after, but the police say the evidence suggests otherwise.
We believe that Miss Donaldson was killed on Tuesday the 12th of July, anytime between 4 and 8 in the evening. And this is supported by, as I indicated before, forensics and technology.
As for the woman's body,
we have done several operations, including going to the River City dump, where we did an extensive search and we came up with nothing. So we'll continue as we get the lead. I can't come to a decision whether or not our body will be found. We hope that would be the end game, that her body is found, and so that the family can actually bring closure to an unfortunate situation.
The police commissioner, in the meantime, is calling out persons who create and share fake news about the investigation.
These fake news elements do not serve the interests of the family. They don't serve the interests of law enforcement, and they do not serve the interests of justice. When fake news muddies the water and causes people to lose faith in the integrity of the judicial process.
Pressure has been mounting on the police to bring closure to the case. There have been several protests calling for justice for Donaldson. The latest was on Emancipation Day. Cody Ann Barrett for TVJ News.